Hey, this is Michael. Got a question for you. When you're out at night and there's a full moon, haven't you always thought, man, it would be so cool if I could just reach up and touch that moon? Well, you sort of can. Now, look at this thing. This is a 3D printed globe, which looks like the moon. And it doesn't really look like the moon without a light on, so boom, how about that? You can turn this on. Not only that, but it has 3 different colors and you can adjust the brightness. There's the second color and this is the third color. It also has what they call a breathing mode where it'll cycle through all those different colors over the course of 10 or 15 minutes. It varies in intensity and it varies in color. And you can see it starting to change right now. Very, very cool. And you can adjust all of that just by touching the base of the globe. And there's the charging port. Now let me show you the accessories that this comes with. It comes with a small wooden stand, so you can just place this on a table or on a bookshelf or wherever you want to put this, and that'll display the globe in a nice fashion. I keep calling it a globe, it's the moon. And it also comes with a small remote control, and this gives you full control of the different colors that are available, 3 of them, and the brightness of each color. Each color has 10 steps of brightness, and there's also the breathe button that I mentioned right here. And this also has a timed function. It'll light it for 2 hours and then turn it off automatically. So that's pretty cool if you want to put this in your bedroom at night and use it as a night light to lull you to sleep. You can stare at that moon for a couple hours and it'll automatically go off. So it does have a charger, which also comes with it. Unfortunately, it's a standard USB on the one end, but the other end they use a proprietary, well, it's not totally proprietary, but instead of a micro USB plug, they use a round barrel plug here. And that's a little bit of a hassle because usually you don't have spare of these around, whereas you probably have several micro USB cables around. So if you lose this cable, you're going to have to scrounge around to try to find one somewhere. Now, this does not work for charging your phone, really. This only has 0.4 amp output, so it's very low powered. It's really intended just to charge the moon. But this will work for anywhere from, say, 3 to 4 hours all the way up to maybe 18 hours, depending on the brightness. So it does have a very small battery inside, and I think that makes this a really cool little lamp. So this is really not a reading light. This is more of just a night light, a nightstand light, and it's a great conversation piece. It looks much better in person. You can sort of get an idea what it looks like in my video, but quite honestly, it looks more realistic than I thought it would, and it's pretty neat. So that's about it. I don't know what else I can tell you about it. I suppose if you're a magician, you could probably come up with some pretty good uses for this as well. It's just one of those sort of mystical, cool looking things. It comes in different sizes. This is the smallest of the sizes. This is 4.7 inches in diameter, and I think what I'm going to do is get the larger one because I just think it would be really cool to have the larger version of this. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll answer it if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great day.